काजल और भास्कर की कहानी, उन्हीं की जुबानी।
हेलो,
That's the place.
locked.
रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाव है कहीं कहीं है धूप जिंदगी।
क्या बात है,
हर पल यहाँ
देखिए हंसिए मत, बच्चा सीख रहा है अभी।
Welcome to Dadwal House. That's what we call it.
Yes, we call it Dadwal House.
And this is the first place where I got in Delhi when I first moved to Delhi. And obviously, it has a lot of memories. You know, your first place when you move to your first place, you're moving in, and so on and so forth. And then obviously you meet people, and
And you meet someone special.
and I met Kajal when I, was living in this place, and eventually we have a lot of memories which grew along this place over time. And I believe I was here for a year, and that year was very special to me because I met her. I made new friends, and I made friends through her. Her friends became my friends. My friends became hers, and eventually, we had this wonderful group. And the stairs you see is the place where all the parties have happened. And you call it New Year's, you call it Diwali, you call it Christmas. I don't know, and just in general, like every couple of weeks, we would have something or the other happening.
We have had like some great memories here, and at that point of time when I met him here, we didn't really know that what we are heading towards. So
Right.
finally, yes, and
Today
I
we are
really can't believe that we are talking about our wedding.
Yeah.
So I'm really happy.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. ओ अट्टी आ गई मेरी, ओ बिल्कुल नरगिस लगती है। ओ अट्टी आ गई मेरी, ओ बिल्कुल नरगिस लगती है। दिया पठिया साडे दिल विच बसदी है। क्या बात है? दिया पठिया साडे दिल विच बसदी है।
And I love this house because this is where I got to know him well. So yeah, we celebrated his birthday here and used to cook, and he's a great cook. So
I agree.
no, I always say he's a great cook. So he used to make food here. Yeah, great memories. We will never forget this house. Thanks to Dadwal uncle. He
He led us to all the naughtiness
actually
and partying around,
one of the best landlords we know. So thanks to Dadwal ji. And yeah, great memories, great house. That's it.
Really drunk to be this. How did we meet? Actually, very fascinating story actually.
चांद से एक परी आई मेरे ड्रीम्स में। उसने बोला कि
कि एक चेहरा मुझे दिखाया, उसने बोला तथास्तु यही है तुम्हारा होने वाला पति। फिर जब मैं सुबह उठी तो एक सफ़ेद घोड़े पर ढुक एक रजवाड़ा की तरह एक राजपूत एक मारवाड़ी आ रहा था। मुझे लगा बस यही है, और तब से हम दोनों साथ हैं।
Okay, let's move from dreams to reality.
मेरी स्टोरी तो यही है।
Actually, we met at a common friend's place, and it just happened by chance. Actually, he just threw a house party, and I was going in. I didn't even know her then, and I didn't even know that she was going to come. So I go there and I'm having a good time with my friends, and I think you were the last to enter, right? She entered with Frankie, who's a very good friend as well, and they walked in, and I just to me at that time she was just another regular girl who walked in the room, but somehow I felt that the room was sort of lightened by her presence, because she's this bubbly and this jolly character, and that's probably what struck me. And I don't even think we had a word that evening at Naveen's place.
Yeah.
But then somehow the plan was made that we're going to go and go to this club called Tryst, and just have a few drinks and stuff with friends. And so we went there, and that's when we first interacted. And it's very loud. Firstly, it was a bar sort of place, and very loud, and I was just managing to hear her, and we were just managing to have a conversation, and eventually it just happened that we ended up having a good time, dancing and talking, and at the end of the night it was, I somehow felt that I really had a very different, and I was happy. I had a happy time in those 2 or 3 hours with her, and that was it. That's what got me, and I was like, this is the girl, and I got to take a step and probably get her number or something. And eventually we did meet the next day. I asked her out for a date, and our story started this way, pretty much, right?
Wow, I've never spoken about it like this, so I was just quietly listening to you.
Yeah. Okay.
Good to hear. Good to hear. Yeah, when you asked for my number, usually I never give my number after a party, never ever. I think that was the first time you asked for my number, and I instantly gave it to you because again I had a very good time. I was with my friends, but later on towards the end of the party we were chatting and we were having a good time. I didn't know where my friends were, he didn't know where his friends were. We ate together, and yeah, then I gave you my number, and then you called me, and I was very lazy the next day, and I wasn't coming where you were calling me to. So yeah, somehow I made it and we met.
Yeah,
but now you tell me, अगर मैं उस दिन नहीं आती, if I wouldn't have made it that day, would you have tried again? Because you always say I wouldn't.
Huh? I would have. I just joke.
हो दिन डूबा नहीं, रात हुई नहीं, जाने कैसा है असर ख्वाबों के दिए आँखों में लिए चले जा रहे थे कि तुम तक हमारी दुआ जा रही थी, तुम आ गए हो, नूर आ गया है, नहीं तो चरागों से लौट
because he always says that तुम उस दिन नहीं आती, I would not have tried your number again. That's the reality.
Well, I did try and you did come and you're here now.
Yes. So yeah, our first date, I had a very good time, and we shared quite personal stuff in our first meeting. So that
Yeah, I didn't even. It wasn't the feeling was not like you're meeting someone for the first time.
Yeah.
And we had a good chat. We had a good time.
He plays very good pool, and he's a champion 5 times in a row. Yes. Yeah. So he was playing. He was kind of showing off, and he told me that if you won't come, I will not go on the floor, as in to play. So I was flattered, and I told all my friends, I just met this guy, and he's telling me that he's not going to play until I reach there. So I was flattered. Good job. I reached there, and he lost in the first go. So I was like, I'm so unlucky for you, but
No, you weren't, and you're not. Things have moved up since we have known each other.
and
So I don't know, why me? Would you like?
why you?
Yeah, why me?
Oh, okay. I think with you, life is very simple. It's not complicated. One. Second,
Because I can cook.
yeah, you cook well. So it's very simple and
That's the part.
convenient.
Yeah.
And I can just be myself completely. There is nothing at all I need to change in myself to be with you. That's the best part about this relationship. And yeah, I enjoy with you. I feel complete. I don't need my friends or my family. I have you, and I just feel complete with you. That's the best part. And I don't get bored because you are funny. You are
Okay.
joker.
Okay.
So yeah, you understand me well, and yeah, life is just simple with you. It's fun. Life is fun with you. And I would say, I cannot thank enough that I have you. I'm blessed to have you.
I'm glad.
Yeah.
I'm glad that I'm.
Yeah, and I thank God. Trust me, I'm saying it because I do it. I thank God almost every day before going to sleep. Thank God I have Bhaskar. Thanks for being in my life.
You should also thank him that I called you.
And you should thank me that I came that day. Okay, why me?
I think very similar reasons, because again, life is simple. You're not the typical woman, I guess, who, you're independent. That was my first biggest thing. That someone I'm with should be independent, should be educated, should have her own, own path selected, which you did, and I really admire your passion towards work. The industry you are in, it's a very competitive field, but I feel that you've done very well. You've achieved very well for your age, your experience, which has accumulated over time. And I mean, again, I guess you understand me well. That was one of my major concerns, because I think I'm a very difficult person to
Yes, you are.
understand, and I'm glad. I guess somewhere maybe 10% you understood me. I don't know. I'm just joking. But yeah, see, I just wanted simple things in my partner, and I'm glad that it's you.
To say, sorry, Paul. One thing I want to say that after living abroad for so many years, when you came back, I had this apprehension that I don't know about your ethics, your values, and but surprisingly, you are very balanced. You have a good broad mindset, and you understand me, and at the same time, you're rooted. Your ethics are very strong.
I would like to thank my parents for that.
Yeah, I was about to say it कि अगर अपनी mom in law को ये बोलूँगी तो मेरे संस्कार हैं जो मेरे बेटे में हैं, which is true. जो those values I really respect them, and I'm surprised and I'm happy that you are a very balanced person, east and west. Bhaskar is the best. So yeah, that's what it is. And on camera, commit that you will be the same. You will never change.
I don't have to commit on the camera, but I mean, if that makes you happy, and I guess this is a woman thing. You know, they need the security thing, but so yeah, I mean, I'm not going to change. I don't want to
Look
change.
into my eyes and say it.
You're trying to.
Look into my eyes and say you will never change.
It's not working.
Say it.
Yeah, I will not change. I mean, I wouldn't change. I have always been like this, and I am like this, and I'm going to be like this.
And you know the best part, when I told my mom about you, so she's like, what is that you like in him? So I was like, I just told her one thing. I wish she was very convinced, and she was telling all my relatives that this is what she replied. I told her that there is nothing in Bhaskar which I want to change. Nothing at all. If you tell me one thing you want to change in Bhaskar, I would say I have nothing. What Bhaskar is to me, I just want. There is nothing I want to change in him. So.
I think I can tell you like 10 things. I'm just joking.
Yeah, please keep saying this and don't edit that he's joking. Yeah, so that was the thing, that there's nothing I want to change in you. Just be the way you are.
Yeah.
And keep cooking, keep making good food.
Take some cooking classes.
I will, which I keep saying. It's been long. It's a time.
Yeah, you owe me like 5 meals now, promised.
I will. ये थी भास्कर और मेरी कहानी, जब एक फरिश्ता ऊपर से आया और उसने कहा यही है वो।
फरिश्ता आया नहीं है,
मतलब आया, वो
अच्छा,
दिखता नहीं है, वो
अच्छा।
फील होता है, यही है वो जो तुम्हारे जीवन को साकार कर देगा। फिर आपके ड्रीम में एक फरिश्ता आया, उसने बोला यही है वो काजल जो आपकी लाइफ को बदल देगी, बहुत सुंदर बना देगी, आप हेल्दी वेल्दी सब कुछ हो जाओगे। ऐसा आया था, आया था। तो ये थी हमारी कहानी, मी एंड भास्कर महेश्वरी।
काजल की जुबान में।
Don't think we are mad. We are just normal people.
Like
we are aliens. See, I have to share this story. When his parents came to my place for the first time, he was so worried, how am I going to behave? He called me from, while he was coming, he called me, he said, Kajal, be a little shy, don't talk much, and baby, you need to touch their feet. You don't have to go all the way, but just say namaste, and be little shy. That's what he told me. And when I told this to my parents, they were like, हाँ, देखा, ये ऐसे हमारी नाक कटवाना, तुम लड़की है।
That's why I was worried.
कूदते है ना. And his mom is really worried. माँ, मैं आपको कैमरा पे बोल रही हूँ. I will be shy. I will not talk much. मैं कूदूंगी नहीं. And I'll behave myself. Give me money for behaving myself. You owe me some few lakhs to keep me controlled.
See, Kajal, now that you're gonna get married to me, all my money is your money.
How diplomatic. To start with, give me your diamond.
Why would I give that? I will give you a diamond on the ring ceremony day.
Then it's fine. Yeah, that's it. what I wanted to say. Anything else? मेरी शान में और कुछ? मेरी खूबसूरती के बारे में?
सब एक दिन में ही बुलवा लोगे?
हाँ, अभी सब. He's cute and he's cute. He's entertaining and I love you.
You're getting an entire package.
And I'm one of those luckiest people who get married to whom they love.
That's so am I.
Okay, this is our car and I call her Chameli because it's white and she's close to my heart, and we have again great memories with this car. And Bhaskar, you made this heart and it's still there.
Yeah.
No one touched it. So yeah, you want to say something about my Chameli?
I guess this has been with us since our first day.
Yeah.
Obviously it's been with you, but it's been with me since our first day. And yeah, we had many trips with this car. We
have fought here, we have solved so many problems driving around, and all our business meetings, we are nervous, we are discussing, we are arguing, and Chameli took care of us. And then coming out from parties late night, you just leave Chameli wherever you want to, and then next morning we are looking out for her. So you do it most of the times. And yeah, we love her, we really love her. And I'm going to take her to my wedding. I'll decorate her, and yeah, she'll be part of our wedding. Yeah, and I feel connected to this car. And yeah, this car has seen our journey. So yeah. Okay guys, this is the place, Tryst, and this is the place where we first interacted. We met at our friend's place, but after that we came here to party, and where he started talking to me, because at our friend's place he was like in a style sitting in the corner like a dude, so I was trying to ignore him.
I was just trying to be a gentleman.
He was just trying to show off. Let me be honest. And yeah, there he sang a song for all of us, and he sang "Hum to thehre pardesi, saath kya nibaoge."
घर को लौट जाओगे. Thank you. Thank you.
Here, because you were singing it.
Okay.
So yeah, then we came here, we started chatting, and we had lots of fun. Those 4 or 5 hours of party, we were just talking to each other and enjoying.
Yeah, it was more about getting to know each other. It was more about knowing each other, and I guess, we things started from there, and that's why this place is very special to us, you know.
Yeah, we are not able to go inside because it's renovating. Like, we are starting a new life. I guess this club is also starting a new journey.
Yeah, I wish we could take you inside, but maybe next time.